Ever wondered how to skyrocket your online visibility through SEO and keyword research? It's a vast and complex world, but fear not. We're about to break it down into digestible bits in this course summary video. Imagine the internet as a vast ocean, and your content as a beacon of light. The brighter it shines, the more likely it is to attract attention. Search engine optimization, or SEO, and keyword research are the fuel that powers this beacon. They're the secret sauce that makes your website or content stand out in the crowded online marketplace. Now let's talk about this course, Unlocking Discoverability, Keyword Research and SEO Mastery. It's like a roadmap that guides you through the labyrinth of SEO and keyword research. It's designed to empower you, whether you're a blogger, an online marketer, or a content creator, with the knowledge and techniques to enhance your online visibility. The course is divided into 5 modules, each one a stepping stone that takes you deeper into the world of SEO and keyword research. We start with the basics in Module 1, where we explore the foundations of keyword research. Then we dive into the tools and techniques in Module 2, followed by SEO optimization strategies in Module 3. Module 4 covers integrating keywords into your content creation process. And finally, Module 5 wraps up with strategies for analyzing SEO analytics and continuously optimizing your content. This summary video is designed to give you a glimpse into each of these modules. By the end of it, you'll have a clearer understanding of how SEO and keyword research can significantly enhance your online visibility. So, are you ready to unlock the power of SEO and keyword research? Are you ready to turn your content into a beacon that shines brightly in the vast ocean of the internet? If your answer is a resounding yes, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of each module of this comprehensive course. Module 1 lays the groundwork for understanding keyword research. This module delves into the basics, making sense of what keyword research is and why it's crucial for your online presence. It's like a treasure hunt, where the treasure is the valuable insights that lead to enhanced discoverability, and the map is your understanding of keyword research. Keywords are the linchpin that holds the vast interconnected web of online content together. They are the terms and phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for information, products, or services. They are the language of search, and understanding this language is the key to improving your content's visibility online. Search engines use complex algorithms to match the queries users type into the search bar with the most relevant content. By using the right keywords in your content, you're essentially speaking the search engine's language and helping it understand what your content is about. This increases the likelihood of your content showing up in the search results when someone types in those keywords. But it's not just about using any keywords. It's about using the right keywords. The ones that your target audience is actually typing into search engines. This is where keyword research comes in. It's a process of identifying the most effective keywords for your content, taking into account factors like search volume, competition, and relevance. Understanding the role of keywords in search engine algorithms and how they aid in improving online content discoverability is fundamental. It's about knowing what your audience is searching for, how they're searching for it, and then using that knowledge to optimize your content. By mastering keyword research, you're not just improving your content's visibility, you're making it easier for your audience to find you. You're bridging the gap between your content and the people who are actively looking for it. And that's the true power of the keyword research. Grasping these fundamentals is the first step towards mastering keyword research. This understanding forms the foundation upon which all other SEO strategies are built. It's where the journey to enhanced online visibility begins. So, let's embark on this journey together, one keyword at a time. Module 2 equips you with the right tools and techniques. It's like handing you a map and a compass before you embark on a grand adventure into the realm of keyword research. Let's start by talking about the tools. Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Moz Keyword Explorer are just a few of the many tools that can help you uncover the most potent keywords. Each tool has its unique strengths. Google Keyword Planner, for instance, excels at providing search volume data, while SEMrush offers a comprehensive suite of keyword analytics. But remember, tools are only as good as the person using them. That's where techniques come into play. One powerful technique is the use of long-tail keywords. These are more specific and less competitive than broad keywords, making them an excellent choice for niche content. Another technique is competitor analysis. By studying the keywords your competitors are ranking for, you can uncover hidden gems that could potentially drive more traffic to your site. Furthermore, you can use the So What test to ensure your chosen keywords are relevant and valuable. Ask yourself, so what, after every keyword or phrase. If it doesn't answer a question or offer value to your target audience, it may not be the right keyword for you. Finally, remember the importance of localization. If you're targeting a specific geographic market, consider incorporating localized keywords into your strategy. These could be as simple as the name of a city or as specific as a popular local landmark or event. These tools and techniques are your guiding lights in the vast universe of keyword research. They help you navigate through the noise, find the keywords that matter, and ultimately, unlock the doors to enhanced online visibility. Armed with these tools and techniques, you are ready to navigate the world of keyword research. The journey may be challenging, but remember, every great explorer started with just a map and a compass. The treasures of discoverability are out there, waiting for you to uncover them. In Module 3, we dive into the heart of SEO optimization. This module is all about enhancing your content's visibility on the internet. It's where you learn to become a master of discoverability to stand out in the vastness of the online world. Firstly, we delve into on-page SEO techniques. This is the part of SEO that you have complete control over. It's all about optimizing the elements of your own website. Here, we focus on aspects like title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. We discuss the importance of URL structure and how to properly use keywords in your content. We also talk about the significance of internal linking and how it can improve your website's readability and domain authority. But SEO isn't just about your own website. It also involves how your site interacts with the rest of the internet. This brings us to off-page SEO techniques. Off-page SEO is all about increasing your website's credibility and trustworthiness. We discuss how to build high-quality backlinks and the role of social signals in SEO. We also explore strategies for influencer outreach and guest blogging. In this module, we emphasize the importance of creating high-quality, relevant content. After all, the best SEO strategy is to create content that your audience will find valuable and engaging. We discuss how to optimize your content not just for search engines, but also for the people who will be reading it. Moreover, we also touch upon technical SEO, which includes aspects like site speed, mobile friendliness, and secure sockets layer SSL encryption. These factors can greatly influence your site's ranking on search engine results pages. In conclusion, SEO optimization is a multifaceted strategy that involves on-page, off-page, and technical aspects. It's about making your website stand out, not just to search engines, but also to your audience. It's about building credibility and authority in your niche. With these SEO optimization strategies, you can enhance your content's visibility and reach. This is the power of SEO, and it's within your grasp. Now, let's recap the key insights from this course. We started off by laying the foundation of keyword research, establishing its critical role in online content discovery. Keywords, as we learned, are the compass guiding your audience towards your content in the vast sea of the internet. Selecting the right keywords is not just about visibility, but about reaching the right audience who find value in your content. We then moved on to the tools and techniques for effective keyword research. Remember, it's not just about high-volume keywords, but about finding high-impact keywords and phrases that resonate with your audience and align with your content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs can be leveraged to unearth these gems. Next, we delved into SEO optimization strategies, exploring on-page and off-page techniques. On-page SEO is all about integrating your keywords into your content, title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs, while off-page SEO involves strategies to build credibility and authority, like link building and social media marketing. In our fourth module, we discussed integrating keywords into your content creation process. We stressed on the importance of creating keyword-rich, high-quality content that provides value to your audience. It's not about stuffing your content with keywords, but weaving them naturally into your content. Finally, we highlighted the importance of analytics and ongoing optimization. SEO is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. Regularly analyzing your SEO performance, identifying areas of improvement, and making data-driven decisions can significantly boost your SEO success. In conclusion, keyword research and SEO are not just about boosting your online visibility, but about reaching the right audience, providing them value, and building a loyal community. These insights are not just for content creators, but for anyone looking to enhance their online presence. So, go ahead. Apply these insights in your content creation and marketing strategies. Experiment, learn, and evolve. Remember, SEO mastery is a journey, not a destination. Harness the power of SEO and keyword research to unlock your online discoverability potential.